What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Kevin. I've been taking a bit of time off YouTube now. I'm back. Glad I'm out here in France, in Auron. One of my favorite places I like to come check out in the summer, in the winter, everything. It's absolutely gorgeous when you can see all the colors of the trees, everything. Have a look at this. The orange, the reds, the yellows. It's beautiful. I mean, this is where I love to come in Auron, France. It is beautiful. It's fall right now. We have all the colors changing in the leaves, the trees, everything. But, oh, have a look at this. Okay guys, I'm out here jogging in the mountains. It's a good day for it. The rain just stopped, but it's cold. Yeah. So here in Auron, all the restaurants are closed. Pizza place closed. Everywhere around. Normally this place is really busy right now with tourists walking around, and when you have a look at absolutely no restaurants, nothing open whatsoever. Have a look. This is what you call a deserted ski resort at this time of the year. There's cars parked here, but nobody's here. As you can see, it's raining today, but nothing open. So being here in Auron, it's really nice, but it's so quiet right now because nobody's here. It's absolutely deserted. The whole place with nobody around. Just me walking by myself. Down because of the coronavirus. And when you see every restaurant, every shop closed, it's a little bit different to walk around by yourself and see nothing open. When you have a look over here, here's the police station. Even they're closed down because nobody wants to come out. Well, this really sucks. I was flying the drone here on a beautiful spot and I crashed it in one of the damn trees. Now I gotta climb one of these trees, find out where it is. But this sucks because I can't see it anywhere. And I don't know which tree it's in. Shit. Looking in all the trees, but really shitty because they're not going to be an easy tree to climb. And shit. I was in this epic spot too, where it's my favorite place to film, and have a look at where I was filming. Yes, it's my favorite spot, but look at the clouds today. All over the mountains. I got snow up in the hills. And somewhere up there is my drone that I have to find. Damn it. Looks like I'm climbing trees.